cycle get on a Sunday, man. This bike life riding day right here. GVO ride out, man. I gotta get an air filter, so I'm about to see if they got what I need.
Yo, what's going on, man?
What's up, man? Y'all have air filters for dirt bikes?
Air filters for dirt bikes.
Yeah.
Right this way, man.
For sure.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Hey, same to you, man. Same to you.
You out here for that GVO ride?
GVO, straight from New Orleans, man.
Oh, your boys just left then?
Yeah, that's my dudes, man.
Alright, Gucci.
I need it's
what
for a
type
150.
Of 150 what, Honda?
Yeah.
CR 150R?
Yeah.
Okay.
Facts, I need that.
Shit, right there.
What
year's the bike?
It's on 13.
13?
Yeah.
Perfect, bro.
Perfect.
Hey, you want some oil? Even though it does come oiled up, I think you're gonna be straight.
Yeah, I should be alright. I think I'll be alright.
Cause they sell like a foam spray.
Right.
Keeps the dirt. You know, it just all you gotta do is wash it and put it back. But
this way better than the one that's on it.
Yeah, it's gonna crank up even better.
Way better than the one that's on
For
it.
sure. You don't need no spark plug, no oil, no grips, no gloves.
Oh,
nothing else I can do for you.
Gloves. I mean, these.
Off-road gloves gonna be right over here, my G.
Alright, then
I
facts.
have all type of flex right here.
Man, I don't know. Let me get out of the car right quick, cause she gotta pick
Go
up.
ahead, do your thing.
Alright then. Yeah, Hannah do need some gloves right quick. So, let's see. Babe, you want some gloves? Yeah, come pick out a pair, cause you might need them. Getting right by nature, homie, huh? Lord. Alright, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and get this right quick. This air filter, get these gloves right quick, and then we headed straight to the bikes, man. We running late a little bit, like y'all always know. We always running late, so it don't even matter, man. We just running late. Cycle get got a dog.
I got a clip.
Oh, thank you for calling Cycle Girl. This Mark's.
What I walked in on, man.
You ain't going for it.
Ooh.
You ain't going for it. You ain't got what it takes to throw him in. Oh, man, Ronald, you ain't got what it takes to throw him in, man.
250 gotta go up some, all the way up.
Go ahead, you good?
Oh,
Wait, no. It's a lifestyle.
Man, it's a lifestyle. You made it, huh?
I made it,
Why
bro.
you waking up early, though?
I don't know. I don't know. Ooh, this ain't happening. No, huh? Both of them going in. Both of them going in.
Okay, rush.
No. Ooh, wait. Wait.
Oh, wait.
Oh, no, man, we stuck here, bro. We stuck. Yo, I'm crying. We stuck like Chuck.
That's crazy, man. You said the lifestyle with us right now, man. I just made it back. Here. My GoPro was tripping. That's why I'm on the phone right now, but I'm about to switch back to the GoPro. Oh!
I missed it.
It's a lifestyle.
That took hella long,
Man.
dude.
Hey,
Loud.
I put in work right there, you heard me?
Alright, well, look. Finally got to the 150, man. About to check out the gasket and everything. I'm about to start. I changed the air filter and everything in there. I know I'm talking fast, y'all. This heat is hot. Alright, we're already on. So I'm about to start looking for leaks and stuff. Tested out the bikes, y'all. They good. When I get home, I take off the casing again and put a gasket on it, but she good for right now. Hot. Man, the lifestyle. Hey, y'all turning me down, so I'm trying to hit traffic, man.
No, we definitely ready to hit traffic.
Look at the fuck.
Y'all turning me down.
Let's go, man. Lowe's trying to kill snakes.
Say that bitch almost bit me, brother.
I'ma bite
That bitch
him.
almost bit me this close, bro.
Yo, we got business.
Bro, that bitch, bro, this close, bro. I had to jump back from his ass, brother.
No, a snake trying to hit you like that. You gotta watch from the snakes in the grass, yo.
Real tough.
That's a sign.
Bro, I didn't see the bitch until I really walked up on it. That bitch jumped up at me and I
I
stepped
know
back.
you be on your P's and Q's. Them snakes though.
Fuck them snakes, man. Gotta kill them snakes.
Big Ryan though. Slingshot. You hear me?
Man, bro. It's about this long, bro. I know what the fuck I saw, bro. That bitch.
Violence too. Yeah, nah. Don't that bitch
That bitch is this. Yeah, it's a real snake, bro.
Hey, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get lit, man. Hello.
Man, I can't. What I do with this?
Eat it.
For me?
Yeah.
Well, shit, man. Shout out my sponsor, Jacob Lifestyle. You know what I'm saying?
For sure. Oh, snap. Hey, we outside. Yeah, we about to go meet up with the pack right now, man. Y'all stay tuned. You hear me? I'm gonna get some fire footage for y'all, yeah? You got your phone? You got your phone? Come on. Lead the pack. All right. We outside though, baby. Miami. Crazy, man. We in Miami. My young boy put on my feet right now. Hey, how you feeling, bro? Come on. Hey, get the camera on my face. Huh? Lowe's don't want to talk right now, man. I don't know why, dog. Oh, it's going crazy out here, bro. Oh, Lee! We on.
Man, the lifestyle and the GT lifestyle put together, man. Go crazy. Every time, man.
Come on, man. We ain't playing. We got a bunch of them out here.
We got no plastic on that bitch.
Nice. Yeah, Cam. That's enough. Y'all stay tuned. It's gonna get lit. Only gonna get litter. The lifestyle, right by nature. Comment right by nature. Right now, we really rocking with your boy, man. That's what I need. I need the love. Show me the love, yeah.
What it is, real nature boy.
Real nature boy, man.
Nature boy.
Checking in.
Hey, she's too sweet now.
She too sweet now?
Sweet.
Show love.
Lifestyle, bro. We out here, Bike Light 2021. What's this, GBO?
Yeah. We outside, man. Stay tuned. I do it again in Miami, man. My young boy be going crazy on the bike. Stop playing with him. Way more wreck? I gotta see everything, man. Come on. Oh, shit. What's poppin'? Yeah, baby. Y'all be watching your fucking YouTube? Yeah. I appreciate that, dog. For real, yeah, bro. You come on the big one. I got it. Oh, somebody on it. Somebody on that bitch. That's the fucking YouTube, bro. No cap. No cap, we outside, man. out. Think we about to leave. You want to push? You going over there? pedal bike now, y'all. Hear me? That's basically the last subscriber around my dirt bike right now. But they lit. The pack over there, y'all. It's crazy, man. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, he on that dirt bike. He go crazy on his pedal bike though. What you think about it? Huh? What you think about it? You like it? Yeah. Thanks. Hey, your name tomorrow, right?
6'9" J-Mo.
Alright, I know that, but J-Maw? Alright, man.
Yeah, I'm learning. I'm handling myself.
But you official on that. You gonna, when you hop on a dirt bike,
Yeah, I want to get on 50.
yeah, that's what you need. Big wheel. Big wheel.
I'm gonna catch you, man.
Alright, bro. Man, dog. For sure.
Stay tuned. I'm loyal.
Alright. Catch me on that dirt bike, Nina. Yo, what's good, world? What the business is? Man, today was lit, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the little riding footage I hit y'all with, man. Today was lit. Shout out my dude, Leak. I linked up with him. My dude, Rondo. I linked up with him. Shout out to both of them boys, man. We did. Leak GT. Lifestyle. We got Scrap Mob. We putting on. You know the vibes, man. But what y'all think about this? What y'all think about this? Wait, you had fun today? You had fun?
I had real fun.
You had real fun?
Y'all Miami niggas are dangerous, like for real.
That was a bunch of everybody.
Just everybody.
Yeah, it was dangerous. We got dangerous people with us.
Put this for you. Dog. Run it up. Keep doing it because you are just pressure. Shitting on every state.
Thanks. Say, y'all. We ending out today's vlog right here, man. It was a wild one. It's a lifestyle. I hope y'all enjoy what y'all see. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. You know, that's the rules of being on YouTube. You gotta like, comment, and subscribe. I was about to say something. Oh, we're gonna take some shots though. We're gonna take a shot for y'all. We're gonna take a shot. I might throw this up though. Why are you trying to get me drunk?
Got to. He still got a whole nother one. Look.
That's from when?
After. Not for the camera though. Come on. I'm gonna record you. Take yours.
Hey, it's been too up, y'all. I can't let y'all be all out of business. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
We toasting to? I don't think I can drink the whole thing.
You gonna be able to.
How you do it? Just.
No, it should like just like let it all go in your mouth and then swallow it all at once. Go Go ahead.
Alright, come on.
Alright. Keep going.
It's a lifestyle, man. Gotta hit that subscribe button, man. Turn us up. Wrecked by nature. We on the way. Oh, one more thing. Hannah about to start our own YouTube channel. So
Like, comment, subscribe. If you don't, you a hater.
what's your channel name right now?
Hannah's Lifestyle.
No.
I told him, y'all, and he thinks I'm lying.
Y'all help her find a YouTube channel name, and we're gonna hit y'all with them bangers. Like we're gonna be doing pranks on each other and stuff like that. And let us know what y'all want to see on her channel.
Yeah.
She lit. She ain't lit as me, but she lit. That's right, she litter than me.
I'm that person, you hear me?
Alright, man. See y'all tomorrow. It's a lifestyle. Oh, we might be leaving Miami too.